Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day today. It's a beautiful day with Lucy, the relationship coach, again today. Welcome guys. Today we have a very great topic to talk about. Yeah, we have a great topic. You got to give me your listening ears. You have to stay tuned, okay? Before I proceed guys, I want to use this opportunity and thank you guys. Thank you for the love, thank you for supporting me, thank you for sharing my videos, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and also not done that, please try and do that, okay? Yeah, I promise you will not regret subscribing to my channel, okay? Thank you guys. So let's get to the point. Foolish things lovers do in a relationship. I'll be giving you 3 things that lovers do in a relationship that will blow your mind, okay? Just keep tuned. Number 1 is first to apologize. This usually happens after both of you have had misunderstanding. After you both said harsh things and you know you should apologize, but then you want your partner to apologize first. And the silence drag on days, still waiting for who apologize first. Wow, this is crazy. How on earth will you wait for days before you apologize to your partner? This is a sign of pride in you personally. It's a sign of pride. Break the cycle. Be the better person. Be the peacemaker today. If you both have this mindset of apologizing, settling issues in your relationship will be so easy. Have the mindset, it will be so easy for you to settle no matter what it is in your relationship. You will not have any problem. You will get covered. Have this mindset and you will not regret it, okay? Do not wait for him or her to be the one to apologize first. Apologize as fast as possible. Do not wait for days or for weeks before apologizing. It really spoils things for people. You will see single people that want to get married because of this, just miss out. You couldn't allow them to get married again because of first to apologize. You will see husband and wife that divorced because of this. It's a serious something. So my dear, you shouldn't wait for him to apologize. It's not okay. Too easy. It's trying to show you can do without them. Trying to show you can do without your partner. It's so sad. It's so bad. Do not do this. Many people do this. They do it out of fear. Some do it by themselves. They knowingly do it. It usually goes like this. They think if they tell their partner they love them or they care about them, the person will start misbehaving or start taking them for granted. No, that's not the real day. If you have such a partner, the person needs to work on him or herself. You need to work on yourself. You are such a partner. It doesn't go like that. You shouldn't do that because maybe if you apologize to them, they will misbehave or start taking you for granted. No. Don't let such mindset rule you, otherwise it will crash your relationship. Showing your spouse you love them deeply and need them isn't a sign of weakness. It's a sign of love and strength. Strength because you don't need someone, but yet you willingly handicap yourself just for them to find relevance around you. Okay? Yeah. Ask his or her opinions even if you know what to do. Ask for his help. So that let them know you care about them. Let them know you regard them. Tell them they complain to you and show it. Call them, miss them, want them, need them. Okay? Yeah, being overly independent of your spouse will only make your spouse feel useless and not needed. Okay? Yeah. Make sure you take note of this point. The third and final thing is first to call. Like seriously, it's childish to wait for someone you are in a relationship with or married to call you first before you call them. You woke up in the morning and you are waiting for your spouse who stays a far distance to call you. He's also waiting for you to call him. Oh my God, this is crazy. Please do not do that. Do not have such mindset. Okay, that's unhealthy. So none of you will be calling each other again. It's not that you don't have any time. It's not that you don't have your phone. You have everything. You have all the requirements of calling him or her. But due to you are waiting for him or her to call you, you start dodging. You couldn't hear his or her voice, but you want to hear his voice. That's the funny thing. You are just pretending. Why will you pretend? It's called immaturity. It's called immaturity. Do not do that. Okay? Yeah. Guys, please, I'll be stopping here for today. If you have any suggestion, if you have anything to say, or if you want me to make a particular video, please let me know on the comment section. Okay? Thank you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share this video. Share to your friends. They need it. You might not know the person that need it, okay? Don't be stingy. Share to your friends, okay? I love you guys. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.